In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email automations in Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a welcome sequence ready to greet new subscribers automatically, saving you time and keeping your audience engaged from the start. First, open your site's email tools and head into the campaigns area. This is where you manage both one-off emails and automated workflows. Once you're there, switch into the automations section. Automations are the always-on sequences that run in the background based on triggers, like someone joining your list. Next, click Create Automation. This opens a gallery of ready-made presets so you don't have to start from scratch. You'll see three main categories: engagement, loyalty, and re-engagement. Engagement automations help you connect with new or active subscribers. Loyalty focuses on rewarding your best customers, and re-engagement is designed to win back people who have gone quiet. For a classic starter flow, choose the engagement category, then select the Welcome New Subscriber series. This preset is ideal because it introduces your brand, sets expectations, and can share helpful resources, all without you having to send each email manually. Click Next to move forward. Now you'll choose an email template. Pick a design that feels close to your brand's look and tone. Don't worry about perfection here. The goal is to choose a solid starting point. You can refine fonts, colors, and imagery later to keep everything on brand and accessible. After selecting the template you like, click Create Automation. Squarespace will build the workflow for you using the Welcome Series preset you selected. Behind the scenes, it pre-configures the trigger, so the sequence starts when someone becomes a new subscriber. That means you won't need to set complex rules just to get up and running. Take a moment to review what was generated so you're comfortable with the flow. Look at the subject lines, the overall message layout, and the timing suggested by the preset to make sure it matches your voice and objectives. If your brand has specific language guidelines or seasonal promotions, keep those in mind for when you personalize the content. When everything looks good, click Activate. Activating turns the automation on, so any new subscribers from this point forward will automatically enter the Welcome series and receive messages as configured. If you ever need to pause it, for example, during a major holiday or a brand refresh, you can return here to deactivate and resume later. That's it. You've created a Squarespace email automation that welcomes new subscribers consistently and professionally with minimal ongoing effort.